Hello students, in this video I am going to teach integration and I am going to tell integration of tan x, cot x, cosec x and sec x. Understood? Then integration of tan x is equal to what? Log of sec x. Integration of cot x is equal to what? Log of sin x. Integration of cosec x is equal to log of cosec x minus cot x. Integration of cosec x, we have two formula, log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. Both formula we can write, but it is not compulsory. The first are right, depend on you, and both are the correct. Don't confuse. Suppose you are writing first answer, in your book given second answer, don't think my answer is correct or my answer is wrong. Both answer are correct. Integration of sec x is equal to what? Log of sec x plus tan x and log of tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. When we find the differences for all the value, then same answer will come. So this is answer of this integration question. Please you note down. Clear? Suppose that you want to prove how it will come. I am going to solve one question. Then here integration of tan x dx is equal to what? Sin x upon cos x dx. Here now let cos x is equal to, you have to change here t. Cos means what? Sin x dx is equal to dt here. Then dx is equal to what? dt upon minus sin x. Understood? Therefore, sin x upon cos x means t. dx is equal to dt by minus sin x, cancel here, minus 1 by t, and dt is equal to what? Minus log of t. Understood? Plus c, now we have to put the value here. T is equal to what? T is equal to cos x plus c. Understood? Now this is minus here, we can write here log cos or minus here plus c, the what? 1 by sec log of sec x plus c. Understood? Similarly, we can prove all the formula. Then tan x is equal to log sec x plus c. Integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x plus c. Integration of cosec x is equal to log of cos x minus cot x or log tan x by 2. Understood? Sec x is equal to log of sec x plus 10 or log tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. Understood? Now one question I have proved. With the help of this methods, we can prove, we can derive all the formula. Clear? But you have to learn. It is important for you. Now, question number 1. Integration of cot log x upon x dx. Then here, let log of x is equal to t, 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So, cot of what? Log is t here and t here. Cot t. And here dx upon x is equal to what? dt. Now you can see what is the integration of cot x? Log of sin x. The integration of cot t is equal to what? Log of sin t plus c. At last we have to put the value of t. T is equal to what? Log of, clear, plus c. This is answer. Understood? Once more here. Sin t, t is equal to what? Log of x. Sin log of x. Say second question. Cos x minus alpha, cos a minus b is equal to what? Cos a, cos b plus sin a, sin b upon cos of x. Clear? And here dx. Now cos x, cos alpha upon cos x, sin x, sin alpha upon and cos x, and here dx. Then cos cancel, cos alpha and cos alpha cos 10 1 dx plus sin by cos 10 sin alpha cos 10 tan x dx. Integration of 1 is equal to what? X into cos of alpha plus sin alpha. Integration of tan x is equal to what? Log of sec x plus c. Now this is answer. See here, both are same, but only in a numerator x minus alpha, here in denominator x minus alpha. Understood? Very simple. In this type of question, let x minus alpha is equal to what? T. X is equal to what? T plus alpha. Now going to put in the place of x t plus alpha. Therefore, sin x means what? T plus alpha upon sin t. Here going to change here. Here dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to here dt. Dt means dt. Now sin a plus b, sin a cos plus cos a sin b whole upon what? Sin t here dt. Understood? Then sin t cos alpha by sin t cos alpha upon what? Sin t dt plus cos t sin alpha upon sin t dt. Sin t cancel. Cos alpha constant 1 dt plus sin alpha constant cos by sin what? Cot t dt. Understood? Integration of 1 means what? T into cos of alpha plus cot t means what? Log of sin x. Sin alpha log of sin t plus c. Now, if you want, we can put the value t is equal to x minus alpha, x minus alpha, cos of alpha, sin alpha, log of sin x minus alpha plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay.